Welcome to DXtrade, the cutting-edge multi-asset trading platform built for retail and professional traders, offering advanced charting, lightning-fast execution, and a sleek, intuitive interface. In this video, we will take a look at indicators on DXtrade. Let's expand an open chart to give us more room, and we will deactivate the volume display and the watermark. The quantity of indicators available on DXtrade is vast, so we will only cover a few in this video to give you an overview of how to launch, configure, and understand them. Simply click on the indicator settings icon and you may scroll down to see everything on offer. Or you may search for an indicator, so let's start with a very basic one, the simple moving average, or SMA. You may drag any indicator into the Added Indicators box, or you may double-click to add. You will then see a section for parameters, and you may move, expand, or contract the pop-up by the corner, bottom, or edges. Every indicator has a comprehensive set of parameters. Normally, in a moving average, you will use the close of each candle to calculate the position, but many others are available. The length of a moving average is the most important parameter, and for now we will set this one to 8, which means it calculates the position of the line by looking back over the close of the last 8 candles. You may displace the SMA by one or more candles, or not at all. Set the color and the opacity, and you may save this for future use by clicking the plus sign. Set the line thickness, and you may choose a variety of displays apart from the line. You will find active indicators in the legend. Here you may hide or show them by clicking on the eye icon, or you may edit them by clicking the settings icon. And you may delete any active indicator here by clicking the X icon. You may add any number of indicators to the Added Indicators box. As an example, let's add a second SMA, but change the length and the color. We now have 2 SMAs, and we have a configuration called moving average crosses, where many traders look for intersection points, which may alert them to changes in direction. Many traders prefer the exponential moving average, which puts more emphasis on more recent price action. You can see the differences here. You may also delete indicators directly in the Added Indicators box. Let's add another one like Bollinger Bands. Typically, we do not alter the parameters, as Bollinger Bands are meant to look at a 20-period exponential moving average, and bands 2 standard deviations above and below the EMA. You may, however, alter the color and the line thicknesses. If, for whatever reason, any indicator displays itself outside of the chart area, this can be rectified under Chart Settings, Scales, and Fit Indicators. Also, while you are here, under Labels and Lines, any indicator can be shown on the price scales with labels, lines, and descriptions. Many indicators will also appear in a separate pane, such as the stochastic oscillator. You may configure the parameters to your liking and alter the line colors and thickness as usual. You may expand or compress the window to your liking, and by mousing over and clicking the arrow, move it to the top of the chart or back to the bottom. You may add as many indicators of this type as you like, such as Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and Average True Range, or ATR. You will note that each indicator has its own labels, and you may hide, edit, or delete here. As DXtrade is browser-based, you may use the browser zoom feature if your charts become too crowded. Of course, you may backtest any indicator simply by scrolling back in time and observing how indicators react to specific price action. There are many other advanced indicators available, like the Ichimoku Cloud, which you may edit to give you the best view of the indicator's information as well as the price action behind the clouds. Again, feel free to explore all the DXtrade indicators and their configurations. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this DXtrade video series and your new exciting trading journey.